Are you ready for the next big leap in laptop performance? Welcome to Tech Talk, where we're diving deep into the MacBook Pro M5, expected to launch in 2025 with game-changing M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max chips. From AI-powered boosts to sleek upgrades, this MacBook is built for pros. So, hit subscribe, and let's explore what Apple has in store. The MacBook Pro M5, set to launch in October or November 2025, will offer 14-inch and 16-inch models powered by M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max chips, utilizing TSMC's 3nm process to deliver a 15 to 25% performance boost over the M4, with significant advancements in AI and machine learning thanks to an enhanced neural engine. The design is expected to retain its current sleek form factor, incorporating minor upgrades such as a 12MP FaceTime camera with a compact module from Sunny Optical, Thunderbolt 5 for faster data transfers, increased RAM options, and potentially a new color option, while major updates like OLED displays and a thinner chassis are slated for 2026. Pricing is projected to start around $1,599, though tariffs on Chinese manufacturing could raise costs. With mass production underway at TSMC, using system-on-integrated chip SoIC packaging for better thermal performance and yield, the M5 MacBook Pro is an ideal choice for creative professionals, developers, and power users who demand top-tier performance for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-driven workflows, offering a refined balance of power, portability, and future-proof connectivity. And that's the MacBook Pro M5, a powerhouse with a 15 to 25% performance jump, Thunderbolt 5, and a refined design perfect for creators and developers. Will this be your next upgrade, or are you holding out for the 2026 old model? Let us know in the comments, like this video, subscribe to Tech Talk, and we'll catch you in the next one.